What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to install apps from unknown sources on your Fire TV stick. Now, over here I have my Fire TV stick Lite currently connected to this TV, but you can go ahead and do this for any other Fire TV stick device you have, like your Fire TV Cube, your Fire TV 4K, or even an actual Fire TV. Now, to install apps from unknown sources on your Fire TV stick, first you want to head over to the profile icon at the top right corner of your Fire TV stick. So just navigate to where you have this profile icon over here, and then you just want to scroll down to the My Fire TV option over here. Go ahead and select that. Now click on the About option, and at this point you want to go ahead and select or press on the OK button while the name of your Fire TV stick device over here is highlighted. So whatever is the name of your Fire TV stick device, so you want to go ahead and select the name of your Fire TV stick device over here for 7 times, which will enable the developer options for us to be able to install apps from unknown sources on our Fire TV stick. So just press 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and once it gets to 7, you're going to see that you're now a developer. I am already a developer. And once that is done, go back to the previous option, and then you're going to see the developer options over here. Select developer options and then come over to the install unknown apps option. And from here, what you just want to do is to go ahead and enable the unknown sources restriction for the app you want to use to install other apps from unknown sources into your Fire TV stick. Take for instance, the downloader app over here is one of the most popular app that is used for installing third-party apps from unknown sources into any device or TV. So you want to make sure you enable it for the downloader app if you're using the downloader app. But if you have a browser that you want to use to install app from unknown sources, you can go ahead and enable it, or any other tool. Just go ahead and enable this permission for that specific application. Mind you, if you do not already have the downloader app, you can as well download and install this from the Amazon App Store. So you can come back over here and enable the permission for the downloader app. Now, once you're done enabling the unknown sources restriction for the specific application you want to use to install apps from unknown sources into your Fire TV stick, at this point what you want to do is to go ahead and open up that specific application. Go ahead and open up the downloader app from over here. It is just at the bottom. Once the downloader app opens up, or any browser you want to use to install apps from unknown sources into your Fire TV stick, you want to come over to the browser tab over here and come over to this search input field over here. Search for the unknown sources application you want on your Fire TV stick. So clear up everything inside of this input field, then just go ahead and search for that unknown sources app you want on your Fire TV stick. In this case, I'll go ahead and search for the Facebook app. And once you're done, add APK at the back of the app. This will enable your search results to give you websites where you can actually get the unknown sources app APK into your Fire TV stick. So once you're done, click on the go button over here and then click on go. At this point, just go ahead and select any of the reliable websites you can actually get that unknown sources app from the internet. In this case, I'll be selecting the official Facebook website over here. Now go ahead and click on the download button, and then just give your Fire TV stick some few seconds to download the unknown sources app you want into the Fire TV stick, and it will automatically start installing itself as well. Once it is done downloading, it will automatically start installing itself. And basically what you want to do is to go ahead and click on the install button at the bottom, and just like so, we have successfully downloaded and installed an app from unknown sources into our Fire TV stick. To open it up, you can go ahead and click on the open button over here, or alternatively you can just come over to the home of your Fire TV stick, and then from the app section over here where you have all of the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, you should be able to find the app you just installed from unknown sources into your Fire TV stick over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this